The Cuban Missile Crisis took place A. 10 months after the Bay of Pigs, B. over the period of a year, C. 1 year after the Bay of Pigs, or D. before the United States had a chance to retaliate. The text tells us that the Cuban Missile Crisis took place in 1962, but that's not an option. According to our choices, we need to figure out when the Cuban Missile Crisis occurred in relation to another event. We see this in the very first sentence. Only a year after the Bay of Pigs, the United States was again involved in Cuba. The sentence doesn't explain explicitly that this is the Cuban Missile Crisis, but because that's what the passage goes on to describe, we can understand that's what it's talking about. Based on this, we can head down to our choices and mark C, the Cuban Missile Crisis took place 1 year after the Bay of Pigs, as our final answer.